Edida abaningi indaba kaPheni kwiJozi FM. Sawubona kuphinda kubi la kufinya khona lo mbuzo njengamanje ukubingelela yini Mathinda Cebo sintombi zomqama lamehla abanye baqhumela imali towards ngena kwethu ngabe usuku lakho lokuqala la ngicotha enza sure ukuthi uya subscribe uya share uphinde comment wenza sure ukuthi awukhohlwa ukulike khona ke ama notification uzowathola eza ngetray ezagijima kuwena njalo masifaka ivideo edida abaningi ngesikhathi ke uPheni Ntuli ekhuluma lapha ngompatho noma ke nenkinga abhekene nayo lapha kwiJozi FM noma ngendlela abamamukela ngayo Pheni Ntuli kwiJozi FM kunezinto eziningi ezimenze wabona ukuthi ngempela kunzima emhlabeni noma ke kumfanele lokhu okwenzakalayo ngaphandle komusho isikhathi sakho umntwana sekhaya asicima ihlala kuyona ke ivideo kaPheni Ntuli eyichazela ngempatho noma ke ngendlela abhekene nayo lapha kwiJozi FM.
Sanibonani, igama lami nguPheni wakaNtuli indlela kaSompisi uMphembe intombi yaseMabheleni. So I'm your host for the mid-morning chat show on Jozi FM. Ngingena phakathi kwa-9 to 12 Monday to Friday. So ngiye ngabuzwa ke la ukuthi what does freedom mean to me? For me, Nkosi yami yazi freedom means I'm able to be me. Ngiyayithanda ke for me freedom ilento engiyiphilayo. Ngiyayithanda impilo engiyiphilayo because it's not fake as much as kulomkhakha engisebenza kuwona. Sike sibizwe ngosaziwayo phecelezi ama celebrity so kuke kube khona iexpectation yalabo bantu ukuthi kumele baphile kanjani bagqokeni uyabo so for me ngiphila impilo ene freedom phakathi because angifake angisho ukuthi khona fake but ke angifake I'm able to be me mase ngilambile ngiyakwazi ukudonsa igwinya and abantu mhlawumbe ababuka uPheni Ntuli bangathuki because bayazi hayi vele unje uyabo and lastly freedom mina isho ukuthi ngibe honest kumina kanjani njengoba ngisebenza manje ngiyimngaka ngisebenza umsebenzi noma ngenza umsebenzi enguthandayo so kubalula for me ukuthi ngivuke ngiyemsebenzini because umoya wami ukukhulekile ukuthi ngivukela ukuyokwenza into engiyithandayo and I get to talk to people khona la emsakazweni wakho iJozi FM so and mengifika la ngikhathi nginyuka nje eGoli mumva nje nganginokuthi eGoli kukhulunywa ama language engingawezwa kodwa ngathi mengifika la ekhaya bathi cha asidinga usikhulumela isingisi sicela usikhulumela isiZulu okusho ukuthi ngamane ngaba free because as much as there are other languages here in Johannesburg but bona they requested ukuthi ngikhulume isiZulu salapha yana ke engiqhamuka naso KwaZulu Natal so I get to be who I am and for me that's freedom doing what I want and being who I am.